The 2 Tyres Guide to the Continental Conti SportAttack 4. Continental don't have much of a footprint in the world of motorcycle sport, so it's easy to make the assumption that they don't produce a sports tyre worthy of your attention. However, Conti's SportAttack 4 is a superb tyre that works particularly well on big BHP bikes. If you ride a hypertourer like a Hayabusa or a big bruiser like a Z1000SX, these are a good option. They're firm but planted and they give excellent precise feedback. Owners rate the warm-up times and wet weather performance. The SportAttack 4 uses Conti's black chili compound, which gives this tyre incredible edge grip for those road blasts. The tyre's firmer carcass gives great high-speed stability, which is one of the reasons owners of hypersport bikes rate them. If you're into track days, these will do the business, with no need for tyre warmers either. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.